Good morning! It's race day. It's time to wrap my toe because if I don't, it'll hurt more when I ride since it's still injured. Namamaga pa rin kasi siya, guys. Hindi siya nag-heal in time before 7-Eleven. And nagulat ako na ang tagal pala gumaling ito, buwisit. Akala ko Superman ako. Akala ko si Deadpool. Mga 1 week lang kaya. Hindi pa pala. This day. Okay. This is my number and wave C tayo. Meaning tayo yung third wave na pakakawalan. Mauuna muna. Siyempre yung A tsaka yung B. Good morning! Good morning. Peace bomb. Peace bomb. Meron tayong special guest, si Kagawad. Morning! Touchdown, Timberland! Let's go, buddy!
Buddy, vlogger ka.
Ha?
Vlogger ka?
Oo nga.
Good morning, good
Kung,
morning, good
kung ano
morning,
lang yung mga, kung ano lang yung ma-shoot ko.
Hoy, sir. Tayo.
3, 2, 1, go! Guys, kumit, tayuan nyo na kagad yung obstacle.
Go, go, go! Right side. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Oh, paraan na, sir. Padaan. Oo, huwag mong abutin.
Bike. Bike. Sige lang. Ay, sorry po, kuya. Left. Left.
Sige lang, sir.
Oh. Thank you. Sorry, sorry. Go, go. Bike. Bike. Bike, bike, bike. Go lang.
Go lang, go lang. May sorry, may agwat. Hindi ko alam tong part na to. Going Pineda. This is new. Kasi, nung track read, iba. So, hindi ko alam bakit nag-iba. Oh, shit. I crashed. Oh my god, my foot. Aray ko, sakit. Sumabit yung pa ako sa roots. Hindi ko nakita. Sorry. Shit.
Dapat dyan ang pin. Kamuhid yung puno eh. Ay, wala.
Wait lang po, sorry.
Okay ka lang. Wala po yung ano.
Tatlo kami dun ah. Go! Templang din ako eh. Ako rin, di bago sa'yo. Okay.
Wow, freshness!
Fresh!
Done and dusted. 7-Eleven Trail 2025.
Done and dusted!
Yeah!
Miss Oriana Evangelista. So Oriana, konting background lang about you para mas makilala ka ng ating mga viewers.
Hello everyone. So I'm just really happy that I've gotten back into racing this year. Kasi 2020, end of 2024, I took some time off due to surgery. And actually, a week before this event, I've gotten injury naman. But I'm just really glad to be able to show up today. Though I don't know the official results yet, but whatever it is, I'm just really happy to be able to go back to the racing. And I'm super happy to see all of your faces. So I'm really grateful for having this experience.
Is there yung sunod-sunod ngayon mga nag-injuries? How do you prepare for this race?
Actually, I'm just really grateful na I'm able to attend kasi last week, I was really stupid injury. But I'm still not okay today. But it's more of like a microverbaral thing. And then I was kind of scared na baka hindi ako makasali kasi we thought na I fractured my foot, but luckily naman. So my PT and I just did some things just for me to be able to attend. But yeah, I'm really happy with how I feel. Maybe it's more of like that feeling of gratitude and happiness that I was able to ride it. So, yun naman. It was really good.
Talagang kailangan ng mental toughness.
Yeah, I mean, in this sport of ours, mental toughness is very important kasi yung races natin, it's quite hard and usual. So for example, this 7-Eleven race, in Rockville siya. The race could run in 2 hours and more. The really fast guys, the elites, they run less than 2 hours. So just imagine that you're pedaling that long in a terrain that's full of uphills and downhills and has a lot of obstacles. So you really have to be mentally and physically prepared to join events like this. And I know that mountain biking is not really like a mainstream sport, so most people have no idea what it looks like when you play race. But I really do hope in the future it becomes mainstream because it's a really entertaining sport. Like, would you imagine bikes can fly, can go down rock gardens and stuff. And I really want the Philippines to go more for mountain biking. Kaya I'm really grateful na 7-Eleven hosts events like this really kasi it brings a lot of people. So this is what the event proper looks like after ng race. There's a lot of people going around. It's me and my bestie.
Alam niyo kung anong good news? Pang-apat ako, pang-apat rin siya.
No way!
Oo, kailangan ID. May ID ka dyan?
Shit, wala picture lang.
Picture ko.
No way! The aftermath of my crash earlier. Bago na naman tayong pasa. Pasa na nga sa paa. Pasa pa rin dito. Ano ba yan?
Congratulations to our ladies.
Ano, nakuha mo? Tingnan.
All right, next category.
And we're back. The squad is done. Gulat ako sa aming podium finishers. I wasn't really expecting anything kasi kababalik ko lang, but ang galing ni Lord.
Done and dusted. Wait lang. Alam niyo ba? Alam yung masakit? Di ba ang masakit? Di ba second ka? Siyempre, hindi gagawin mo lang best mo. Magiging first ka na. Tapos alam mo yung isa pang masakit? Number 4. Ang pinakamasakit lagi yung nag-second at saka yung nag-number 4.
Ako tanggap ko naman kasi hindi ko talaga na-expect na may mauuwi pa ako sa kalagay kong yun. Tapos di ba nga sumemplang pa ako kanina?
Anyway,
Survive. Anyway, thank you so much for watching our vlog and catch you on the next one. Bye!